Hello, it is Sunday, May 20th, 2012 at 3:12 a.m. Central Standard Time. I wanted to show you here in the storm, we've got a storm that went through Nebraska earlier this evening and up through Iowa. And I want to show you how Doppler radar can put spin on the storm. Let's go forward though. You can see right here it's starting to go basically just in the northeast direction. And then notice down here, this is coming out of Topeka, Kansas. And this is gyroscope type. I'm just learning about this tonight. So you can see them right here going backwards. And before that, before they show up, you can see that it's basically just kind of going along. And now right in here, you'll see some activity. And these hard edges also show some harp type activity. There's frequencies being inserted into the storm. And then, going backwards, you can see this beam right here out of Omaha. And right after that is where it starts turning. And then also notice this wave coming off, which I've been seeing quite a bit of lately. And we also still have Topeka putting out some signals down here. And see, it's actually, you start getting some spin on it. Let me go ahead and start it here. It's a pretty good spin too. See that? Almost a vortex like type right in here, like the center of it. And then here's that strange wave that comes off, and it comes off right about Omaha. If I put the counties in, Omaha is right about here. I'll keep my cursor there for a minute. And as that storm, the hot spot goes through right by Omaha, and then that's where this wave comes off also. I'll get rid of the counties again here. I also did a visible loop here. Let's get this started. Right here. You can't really see the spin because it's hidden beneath the cloud here. But if I stop it, we'll zoom in. Going backwards here. You can see some scalar type activity right here. Waves basically inserted into the storm right here. You see these lines. Let's go forward some, you'll see more. Let me push it, okay. And here's where it starts rising up. And you can see the scalars in here. See right here? In here. Actually, they're crossing over here, going this way and this way. Let's go ahead and, I'm going to go ahead and play it through. Really get this close up and we'll see what we see. Maybe it's too close. Yeah, it's still going kind of fast. I have it turned way down. These red areas, it's nighttime, so I just turned them off. And go on, zoom in, go through a couple times. I did some checking around on a gyroscope, and this is New World Encyclopedia. Now this is the thing I was showing you coming out of Topeka. Now how they get this happening on the Doppler, I do not know. But I know that the disk, of course, goes around and it changes attitude or up and down as it can swing around. I can't see how it can go that fast. And then here's another type. And this is probably more like what it's doing. Although when you start getting those funny looking waves going, swinging around, let's see. I should have done one of Topeka. I'm sorry I didn't. But you can see right in here. I'm going to do it. I'll stop it and close, zoom in, going back a couple, right there. You can see these kind of diagonal lines as a result. And here's the next one coming around. And then also, this I thought was interesting. You've got an input axis, an output axis, and then a spin axis. So you're getting your 3 axes. And then this is really cool. I found this website, ended up shopping, called Gyroscope.com. I'll put it, well, that is the link. What I found interesting is they actually have, you know, they're saying that you can get these gyroscopes in hertz, 250 hertz. It says you uses no batteries and you get speeds up to 15,000 RPM using nothing more than a rotary hand motion. And so I suppose that's what the Doppler is like the rotary hand motion. Although probably going slower, I don't know. It can be used as a wrist arm exercises, and because of the massive amount of torque it develops, it will make a brilliant school college demonstration. But, so that must be how it gets the storm spinning also. Let me, oh, this has some other good things too, vortex tubes, and anyway, I had a very good time on this website. And I will put a link beneath the video. And let me just play this through again, kind of closer up here. And you can see the spin just here. I mean, clearly it was going one direction. This hits it, then this hits it once the beam comes out of Omaha. And I don't know what that how that one spurt would affect it, but it certainly seems to kick things off a bit. And here again, you can see better the harp frequency ring. It's the different Dopplers, and it's the outside ring. And when it's turned on, when the harp is turned on, and it's not necessarily the one in Alaska, but you know, something that generates frequency. That's the result shows up on radar. So anyway, there you have it. God bless you. Have a good rest of the night.